Day one of the Melon fast. It's going really great on this end. I'm really enjoying it, and I just want to give you some tips and tricks to help you get through this thing with some success. Number one, get a lot of exercise if you can. I mean, you might feel a little bit light because just eating the melon, but try to do more yoga, at least more pranayama and breathing, just things to keep you moving and keep your mind centered and keep your energy up. So a little bit more yoga, like a little yoga every day would be helpful. If you can go for a walk or and somehow sweat a little bit with some exercise, that's a really great idea. Number two, drink a lot of water. Drink lots of water. You definitely want to drink lots of water because this diet replaces all the fluids in the body, and you want to get rid of and flush the toxins that will come up. So you realize that when you eat, your glandular system gets involved. So you start to, the glands start to secrete as soon as you think of food or put food in the mouth. The glandular system secretes hormones. Hormones are chemical energy that goes into the blood, changes the blood chemistry, and then it goes into your brain and changes your command center that gives commands to your body through the energy system. And there's a major gland at every chakra, so that's very closely tuned, your glandular system and eating. So by virtue of that, you have habits, thinking habits, that are very closely aligned with your eating habits. And so when which mostly go unnoticed by you. So when you do a fast like this, you isolate your glandular system, and then what happens is the mind starts to release all of this subconscious garbage. And the toxins in the body are also coordinated with this. So it's a real kind of purge and release. So you should drink a lot of water and recognize that you're getting rid of a lot of stuff. Get a lot of rest. So steal away naps when you can. Add a couple of hours of sleep at night if you can, but just get more rest and have the attitude that you're changing your whole body and mind system, and that you need a little bit of rest to kind of rejuvenate the body from all of these changes. Massage. Massage is actually a part of this diet. Yogi Bhajan mentioned that you should massage the body with almond oil daily. Almond oil actually, it's used quite often in yogic bathing and yogic lifestyle, because you use almond oil in the morning when you do the cold shower. You massage the body with almond oil because it draws toxins towards the skin, and then you can get rid of them when you do the flush of the cold water. Now, doing cold showers, if you can bear it in this diet, then do it by all means. It is hot out; it's summertime. But if you feel like chilled because you're not eating that much, you're just eating melon, then definitely stay away from the cold water. Hot baths are really good with salts to draw some of the toxins out. But massage is very, very important in this diet. It's actually one of the components of the diet. Massage the body daily with almond oil is what he said. And if you can go out and get massages, especially like Thai massage, which is like really deep tissue and that kind of stuff, it's very, very good. So again, this diet replaces all of the fluids in the body, right? So by drinking a lot of water and getting the body massaged, you're actually helping to move those fluids around. So the blood has a lot of different components of the plasma. It's got the red blood cells, the white blood cells, and it's got lymph fluid and all that kind of stuff. So you eat, nutrients go into the blood, that goes out into the veins and the arteries, and then ultimately the tiny capillaries, and it goes out into the muscles and into the skin. So it gets pushed into the outer extremities through a series of like pumps and valves. And so it takes the fluids out into the tissues and out into the skin. And so that gives needed nutrients, moisture, and hydration to the cells. But then it comes back. There's a whole other system of valves and through the blood pumping, it gets sucked back out into the bloodstream to take out toxins. So in this diet, you're changing all the fluids in the body. So drinking a lot of water, massaging the body, and getting exercise all helps to accelerate the effects of this diet. So definitely do all of those things. And then finally, just tame your mind. Your mind is gonna, you get hungry, or something will happen, you'll smell something, or you'll just feel like you maybe you can't do it. That's just some stuff of the mind. You can go through this, whether you're doing the whole version, the 10-day version, or the 5-day version. You can do it. You can do some part of it, and you can change yourself a little bit. So just do your best, but counter these releases of the subconscious mind, the negative thoughts, the stuff that says you can't do it. Just counter it with positive affirmations. Just tell yourself, I can have this victory. I can do this. It's only a matter of time till it's over. It's just a short time. Just feed yourself positive affirmations. It's mind over matter. I'm clearing out eons of garbage. This is going to make me better, stronger, more radiant, more prosperous. Just see that goal of being the better version of you. And just, most of all, just keep up. Because you can totally do this. It's not hard. It's just a matter of following the instructions and going through the changes and having the victory. I hope that helps. Satnam.